Hi, welcome to my channel. Today we're gonna do a Michael's Easter haul, and I'm really excited to open this with you. It just came in the mail yesterday, and I'm like, I want to film this so I can see what's in this box, or maybe it was 2 days ago. I don't know. It's been too long since I want to open it. So if you are new to my channel, I created this channel as a homeschooling resource to give you different unboxings, which is kind of what we're doing today, to give you curriculum ideas, organizational ideas, and ways to invite Christ into your homeschool space. So if you're interested in those things, please hit that subscribe button. And let's get into this box. Okay, so the saddest thing happened just a few months ago. Our Michael's here closed down. It was so sad. I loved Michael's for homeschool crafts. It was one of my go-to places, and occasionally I order stuff online, but not nearly as much as I actually go to the store. And so I had to get online and order a few things, and I wanted to get some Easter crafts and look at some stuff for maybe Easter baskets and things like that. So I think I got some things for me too to decorate with, just a couple, not too many. But I'm gonna show you some of these things. I don't feel like there's too many things to show because some of them I got multiple for all my kids to be able to participate. So let's get in this box and see what we got. Okay, so I'm gonna show you my home decor pieces first. So I saw this bunny and I just thought it was so cute. You know, it has that kind of rustic white, antique white, and then metal in the middle. And I just loved it. This metal almost reminds me of my radiator covers in Connecticut, because we had, huge radiators underneath most of the windows, and we had covers on them, but then you put metal inside the covers so the air can still come out, the heat can still come out. So that's kind of what it's reminding me of here, but I really love it. I just think it's super cute. I thought it looked cute online, but I'm glad it still, it did not fail me in person. There might be another bunny, I can't remember, maybe there's just one bunny, but I just thought this was cute. It makes a lot of noise when you touch it, but I just thought this was a super cute little bunny to decorate with. I might have just got one, I can't remember. I don't see another one, so we're gonna open some of these crafts. So we have, what are these? I don't even know. And so these are little eggs, and then they come with tons of decor pieces. You probably need glue for it. I'm not really sure if they come with glue, but that's what they look like. Just some fun crafts that I can pull out during the homeschool week, either, to give my kids something to do. Some of them require more of my help and some of them don't. Or, just stuff that we could do on Easter Sunday or whatever, as we're home together as a family. Just some different activities is what I planned for most of these. So there's that. And then these ones I think are kind of like ornaments. They have the bunny, they have little eggs, like chicks coming out of eggs. You can decorate them and make them all cute. And then I also have this one. I might have just gotten one. Oh no, there's two of these. I couldn't remember. So these are little sewing things. I didn't know who'd want to do this. I thought of it more for my 7-year-old daughter, but maybe my boys would like to participate. I feel like my 4-year-old would have a really hard time with this, but it's like a little sewing activity. And so I thought that was fun. So I did end up getting 2 of these, and most of these I think were all 40% off. And so, that's one of the things too I love about Michael's, is that it's cheaper. And then I have some wooden eggs. I got several of these wooden eggs right here. And so I just thought these look super cute. I might even put them in Easter baskets. I'm not really sure. It's just kind of an activity we can do on Sunday together. But it has all the, it has paint in here, but I also have acrylics. Is that what they are? And so you can pull those out and you can paint those and just have a lot of fun with them. I just thought they looked super cute. And then I also have some, I don't know if these are plastic fabric. I don't know, they're not fabric, but plastic crafting eggs is what it says right here. And so I got 2 packs of these as well. And I just, again, something for them to do, to paint. I honestly don't really love doing hard-boiled eggs and dipping them. Is anybody else with me? Comment below and let me know what you like to do. Do you like to pull out, hard boil all the eggs and have them dip them and color them and all that kind of stuff, and then have all these eggs in your fridge? I know I love hard-boiled eggs, but we just don't go through them that fast. Or would you prefer something like this where, you're still decorating eggs and still get that symbolism for Easter of an egg, but less mess in a way, and not all these eggs in your fridge that you might not eat. Anyway, so I just thought this would be a fun activity instead, so I got 2 of those. And then the last thing in here, I'm gonna drop stuff on the floor, is this box of crafts. And so this just had a variety of Easter things for us to do. So there's like a little bunny thing, there's an Easter egg. This looks like it's made with pipe cleaners and they can put beads on them. So practicing some of those fine motor skills. This is like a little Easter banner and then like a little nest right there. So I thought that was cute. And so this was just, you know, a simple little Michael's haul. I just wanted to share it with you because it is one of my favorite things to do as a homeschool mom. Gotta, you know, give myself some breaks wherever I can. And sometimes just getting little crafts that I can hand to them that they can do is a lot easier than hours and hours of prep work going through crafts on Pinterest or through a certain curriculum. And then, you know, it just takes up a lot of my time, which sometimes I have and sometimes I don't have. And I do love prepping crafts, but this just makes my life a lot easier. I can just pull it out and give them something to do and just they can have a fun time doing it. They enjoy it and they're cheap too. They're not very expensive crafts. So I don't have to feel bad, you know, when we go to throw them away and stuff that I just spent tons of money on these things, because that's not the case. They're pretty cheap and just, I really enjoy them. I've always enjoyed Michael's crafts. And I enjoy them even more now that I homeschool. And I'm really, really sad that we don't have a Michael's anymore. There's one, it's over an hour away, but that's a long ways. That's a long ways for us. We don't really leave our valley very often. And so unless we're going to visit family, we don't really travel anywhere else. And so I don't have a Michael's here anymore. So I'll probably be ordering more stuff online. So there'll be other future hauls for you guys to see. But if you enjoy seeing these haul videos, let me know, give me a thumbs up, and also tell me what ones you enjoy seeing, like what holidays or seasons, all that. Put that down in the comments below, which ones you enjoy the most, and I will see you next time.